Shri Harivansh, this is the JAC board and CBSE board, which is important for the both the boards, and it is also important for the other boards. This is the question of the exercise 1.1 of the NCERT books. So I have taken the 4 questions for the classes. The first question tells us find the HCF and LCM of 672 and 120 using the prime factorization method. And the question number 2 given that HCF 306 and 657 equals to 9. Find the LCM. Okay. And question number 3 tells us explain why this and this are the composite numbers. Okay. We need to explain the reasons. And the question number 4, which is the important, checks whether 6 के power n can end with the digit 0 for the any natural number. So this is the very important, and it may be the confusion. So at last I will discuss about these things. Okay, before starting the solutions of all these questions, if you new on my channels, please like, share and comment me and subscribe my channels, because I upload the many such videos for the basic solution of the mathematics. Let's start with the real solution of the question number first. Here the solutions, we need to find the factorization of the given the number. So we have written here the prime factors, all this format, and finally take the LCM over here. Okay, 622 and 120. Okay, I got 360. This is our the final answer. How can you get the LCM? LCM, that means we need to take the common at least 2 numbers. Okay, so here 2 is the common, so you must try. Here the 2 also common, so you must try. Here the 2 is the also common, and 3 our in the among the number 3 is the common here, and again 3 and 5 is not common, but you can last you write all. Okay, so these are the least common factors. 360 is our the final answer for the LCM. And HCF we want to get HCF, that means highest common factor, the factor which is divides all these numbers, okay, at a time. So here 3 and 2 is the your right answer. So 2 3 is 6 is our the right answer, and 6 is the final answer. And on this basis you can solve the question number 2. Explain or given that the HCF of this number, find the LCM of this number. Okay, so let us start how to solve the question number 2. We know that first number into the second number equals to the LCM and the HCF. Actually question number 2 telling us find the LCM of those numbers. Here these numbers are 306 and 657, and HCF is given for this number, but we need to find the LCM. So there are the basic formula for the 2 numbers. One thing you remember, this formula will be not applied over the 3 numbers. Okay, so it will be the only applicable for the 2 numbers. So basically we will implement. So you can get simply LCM equals to 306 into 657 by 9. You can reduce and get the final LCM equals 22,338. This is our the final answer. Okay. The third question, so that whether the given expression is the composite number or prime number, we need to prove that. But in question telling that only the composite number, so this is the first expression, 7 into 13 into 13 plus 13. Before starting the solutions, I need to explain the composite number. What is the composite number? The number which is divisible by 1 and other numbers. Okay, that means the number which has factors more than 2. Okay, so these such numbers are called the composite number. So look at here the 13 into 7 into 13 plus 1. Here you can take the common 13, and you get like 13 into 92. So 1196 is your the composite number, because this number will be divided by 1, 2, x extra. That means the more number like the 4 also, maybe it will be the divided. So yes, that is the composite number. Okay. Similarly, you can check this expression is the composite number or not. So I have checked this. So 5045, this is the final number. So it is also the composite number, because it is divisible by 1 in itself and other number like the 5 or maybe the 3. Okay. So this is the composite number. So this is the way to prove and show that such number is the composite or a prime number. Okay, so on this basis or conditions you can declare that. Okay, we have the question number 4. Look at here, which is the very important. The question number 4 is telling that check whether 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural numbers. Okay, so how can end with the 0? So let us start. This is the question number 4, which is the important and maybe the difficult question. Here the f6 के power n can end with the 0 for the any natural number n, then it would be the divisible by 5. Okay, it is the written in the statement. That means if the any number, like I am taking the, suppose that here 6 to 5. If I say this number is divisible by 5, yes, it is divisible by 5 because the last number is 5. If the last number like the 0, then it will be also divisible by 5. So these are way to say that that number is divisible by the 5. So here we have taken the 6 के power n. So we are declare that if 6 के power n can end with the 0 for a natural number, then it would be the divisible by 5. Okay, that's all right. That is the prime factorization of 6 के power n. That means you can get the factors of 6 2 into 3 के power n. Are you looking here? 3 is the additional factors which is not divisible by the 5 and cannot end with the 0. So here I am. That's all. Additional factor as requires 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n. This is the actual format and structure for the divisibility of the factors of the prime number or any number, you can say. Here the 5 and 2, that means we need to required over here. If that accepts such number mentioned in this factorization, then that number will not end with the 0. Here 3 is the additional number in this way. So on this basis we can say, so there is no natural number a for which 6 के power n ends with the 0 because 3 is the here. If you get the like 2 and 5 or both, then it will be the end with the 0. Here 5 is not mentioned. Okay, if the 5 will be the available, then we will say it will be end with the 0. Okay, this is the way to prove that if such number will be the end with the 0 or not. Okay, this is the final way. So I hope you understood. Please comment me and share this video to other friends. And if you not subscribe my other channels, please subscribe for the basic videos and the competitive level videos. I will meet in the next classes. Till then, goodbye.